Good afternoon. The global pandemic has sparked significant changes in Australia's housing market. The adverse impacts were visible on the buyers and housing market dynamics as the pandemic led to the temporary shutdown of cities. The country also faced an unprecedented monetary policy strategy, and because of various reasons, regional and low-density areas were preferred for housing. Moreover, the government pushed through various incentives for home buyers, and all of this has changed the Australian property market for good. Despite a brief dip, housing prices increased by 24.6% between March of 2020 and February of 2022. Interestingly, activities spiked up from first-time home buyers at the onset of the pandemic, and first-time homeowners made up a significant portion of the housing market as well. This cohort took advantage of cheaper home options, record low mortgage rates, and government incentives following the previous downturn. The introduction of the Home Builder Plan, which is utilised in conjunction with the First Home Loan Deposit Scheme, and other state-based subsidiaries and stamp duty rebates for first-time home buyers, boosted first home buyer activity beginning from June of 2020. Rent prices rose for a variety of reasons. Between 2017 and mid-2020 as well, investor activity was relatively low, contributing to rental supply constraints. Then the advent of rental services like Airbnb, which enabled property owners to pivot to the short-term rental housing market, may have diminished rental availability. This latter tendency may have been particularly noticeable in tourism locations around Australia, some of which have thrived in recent years due to the increase in domestic travel. The official cash rate as well was cut significantly over the last 2 years, resulting in rapid increases in housing and rent values. Lower debt costs as well allowed borrowers to obtain more credit after the RBA set the official cash rate goal at 0.1% in November of 2020. Many reasons have contributed to the reshaping of the Australian property market since the onset of the pandemic, giving extraordinary value to the consumer. This boom has started to slow down, however, since the economy reopened, which may be stopping the continued growth in the property market. More updates to follow. I'm Holly Shields reporting for Kalkine Media.